What's up, guys? You know, Zeblaze company has many different watches, starting from flagship Android smartwatches such as Zeblaze or SQ to the most budget-friendly ones like Zeblaze Btalk 3 Plus. This is one of the cheapest watches you can buy right now. It is only $12 on AliExpress. At the same time, it has nice design, classic navigation crown, a 1.39-inch display, Bluetooth phone calls, and even offline voice assistant, more than 100 sports modes, as well as heart rate, SpO2, and sleep monitors. By the way, we have already tested Zeblaze Btalk 3 and Btalk 3 Pro on our channel, Tech Brothers. I would like to compare the new Zeblaze Btalk 3 Plus with the previous model, Btalk 3 Pro, but unfortunately, I don't have the latter anymore. However, at the end of the video, I will tell you which watch I liked better. Let's start our review of Zeblaze Btalk 3 Plus by unboxing it. Although the watch is black on the box, I actually have it in champagne gold color. This watch is also available in Orchid color. When you open the box, you will find the watch, a magnetic charging cable, user manual, and even a screen protector. To be honest, I don't remember any other budget Zeblaze watches having a screen protector. This is a nice bonus. You know, the new Zeblaze Btalk 3 Plus looks very similar to the previous model, Btalk 3 Pro. They both have round screens and about the same size. However, there are still many differences between them. The new watch has a crown on the side to navigate through the menus and another round button to turn the screen on and off. You can also see the microphone hole between them. A speaker is located on the other side. The back of the watch has charging contacts and health tracking sensors. By the way, the bezel and back cover are made of plastic. Talking about the strap, it is made of silicone. It is removable, so you can attach any 22mm wide strap to the new Zeblaze watch. Technically, yes, you can attach any strap you want, but given the gold color of the watch, I think the strap has to match it. However, I like this watch even better in gold color than in black. By the way, it seems that the Zeblaze Btalk 3 Plus is more compact than the Btalk 3 Pro because of the smaller display. Its dial size is 45.5 by 45.5 by 12.1 mm. The weight of the watch with the strap is 38 grams. You know, the screen size of the new Zeblaze watch is really smaller than the previous model, but you hardly notice it in real life. It is 1.39 inches versus 1.43 inches on Zeblaze Btalk 3 Pro. But the more important difference is the screen panel. The Plus version of the watch has IPS panel, while the Pro model features AMOLED panel. So the new Zeblaze Btalk 3 Plus doesn't support always-on display mode. I don't know the brightness of the screen, but it can be seen well outdoors. If we talk about system of Zeblaze Btalk 3 Plus, it is identical to Zeblaze Btalk 3 Pro. They have the same design, functions and settings, so I don't want to dwell on it too long. You can watch our video about Zeblaze Btalk 3 Pro where we talked about each function. The manufacturer says, and we can guess it from the name of the watch, that Bluetooth calling is one of the main features. Let's check it out. But first, we need to connect the watch to the smartphone. The companion app is called FitCloud Pro. Once the watch is connected, you can go to the device menu and find favorite contacts here. Now just select contacts from your phone to add them to the watch. Finally, you can go to the Contact Person menu on the watch and call someone. In addition, the watch has a dial-in function as well as call records. To be honest, I don't think Zeblaze Btalk 3 Plus is suitable for sports, but it has many workout modes such as running, hiking, cycling, and even swimming. By the way, I couldn't find any information on water protection of the new Zeblaze watch, but since there is a swimming mode, the watch should be waterproof. You can also find much more workout modes in the app. There is more than 100 of them. I can also measure my heart rate, blood oxygen, and blood pressure on Zeblaze Btalk 3 Plus. By the way, when the watch isn't on, it says to wear it properly. Talking about battery of the new Zeblaze watch, it has the same capacity as the Zeblaze Btalk 3 Pro, 260 mAh. The battery life is also the same, up to 14 days, depending on usage. So choosing between Zeblaze Btalk 3 Plus and Btalk 3 Pro, I would take the Pro version because it has AMOLED display with always-on display support. Otherwise, however, these are very similar watches, including functions, mobile app, workout modes, and even battery. So if you don't need the AMOLED screen and always-on display mode, then you can save your money and buy Zeblaze Btalk 3 Plus. For the price of only $12, it is a good watch. Thank you for watching and see you soon!